really cold. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So this video is going to be really helpful for you guys because this is going to be a tutorial video. First off, I do apologize because we have so much motorcycles that are coming through the road. I'm close to the road right now, which is going to make this video really loud because I'm going to turn up the volume a bit because you guys might not hear me because of the background noises. But so these exercises that I'm about to show you guys is the same exercises that I used to do when I was just starting out calisthenics. So this is like the complete basics of calisthenics. So master the basics, you get all of the different skills of calisthenics. You unlock them all once you get strong at the basics. So focus on the basics. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. I'm sorry guys if this video took so damn long. It's Monday and we just finished actually our first ever face-to-face classes since like the post pandemic. So yeah, this is really new for me because it's been like 2 or 3 years since I like walked up to an actual school and like studied in the school. So we used to be at like online classes and shit, but yeah, this is a tutorial for you guys so you guys can learn how to start calisthenics, get the idea. Yeah, let's not waste so much time. I've been wasting so much time on speaking, guys. It's been a while since I vlogged. I'm terribly sorry, guys. So yeah, let's start the video. I'm gonna put how many reps and sets you guys need to do or should do with the exercises that I'm about to show you. And keep in mind, if the exercises are too hard, you guys can adjust the difficulty by like doing different variations. For example, is the push-up. You can do knee push-ups instead of regular push-ups if the regular push-ups is too hard for you. So with the pull-ups too, if you can't do a proper pull-up yet, you can always do like the Australian or like the body weight rows pull-up. And that's it for me today, guys. Here is the video. Let's go.